Well, here we are again, kiddies. This is K-Bar User. It was March 17th last year. This is March 2nd. That's the top of my barrels there. That's about 12 inches or better. Yeah. Blew my yard fence over. We got 40 to 50 mile an hour sustained winds here right now. At least that's what they're saying anyway. They just eased up. They come and go in bands. It's really neat watching this whole thing. So this is the blizzard of 2018. Where I'm living, they have blizzard warnings out. An additional 10 inches over what we got now. And literally blizzard warnings. Springtime, ain't it great? This is the same place I took the video from last year. Yeah, it's starting to snow again now. You can see the flakes coming on. You can't see it on here, but they are. At least I don't think you can see it on here. Yeah, you can see a few here and there. Yeah, springtime. That was March 17th last year, March 2nd this year. And 3 days ago was 65 degrees here. Thursday night it was 65 degrees. Wednesday night when I got done playing, it was 65 degrees when I got home. This is K-Bar User. I want to thank you for your time and your patience. Those of you that are stuck in this, wow, sorry about that, but it is Pennsylvania and it's still winter. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Maybe I'll watch this in the summertime when it's 90.